Yeah, good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. We're starting in the next 2 minutes. Stay active, guys. Good morning, guys. Kindly confirm if you can hear me. If you can hear me, drop one in the chat. If you can hear me, drop a one in the chat. If you can hear me, drop a one in the chat. If you can hear me, drop a one in the chat. Let's get started right away. Drop a one in the chat if you can hear me. Drop a one in the chat if you can hear me. Okay, guys. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive right into today's market analysis. Um, So good morning, everyone, and welcome to T Billion Forex Academy. If you're new here, my name is Timothy, aka T Billion, and this is our weekly live market analysis and trading session, where we break down the forex market step by step in a very practical and well-structured way. Okay, we hold this session every Monday and Wednesday by 9:00 a.m. West African time, and our primary focus is XAUUSD and GBPUSD, followed by other forex pairs you request in the chat. The goal of this session is to shape and sharpen your understanding of the smart money concept, including order blocks, market structure, liquidity zones, and price action, how to properly read market structure, how to identify key order block zones and breaker block zones, as well as liquidity areas and inducements, and most importantly, how you can apply this what's it called, these concepts effectively in real market conditions. So whether you're a newbie or an intermediate trader or a pro trader, stay with me as we follow a well-structured top-down analysis process. All right, so let's get started into today's analysis. So if you look at my chart, today analysis, I'm going to start with GBPUSD, okay, because I have a setup which I'm anticipating. Okay. Oh, all right. So I have this setup on GBPUSD. Okay, as you can see. All right. So let me just head to the 1 hour time frame and explain why I'm taking this sell trade. All right. So look at this. As you can see, I've already established my overall trend direction, okay, which I believe you should already know this. Okay, whichever way you determine your overall trend direction, apply that. Okay, for me, I've established my trend direction, and the overall trend direction, as you can see, is bearish. Okay, so basically, I want to take sell opportunities. Okay, that is not to say I can't take buy opportunity when I see a structure, that aligns with my trading strategy. Of course, I will take buy opportunities where applicable. But for this, it is always recommended and advisable you take trades in the direction of the prevailing trend. I mean, the overall trend. All right. So, all right. So let me explain why I took this trade. Okay. So the overall market structure is bearish, right? And as you can see, we have our market on what's it called shift at this price level. This is our MS, okay, and there we got our inducement, which is this. Let me zoom in so you guys can see my screen properly. All right, so we have our market shift right here, and here's our inducement, okay, and this is our point of interest, okay, another block zone. So basically, we wait for price to tap into our other block zone, then we take the sell trade. So as you can see, price got close to the other block zone, but yet to tap into our other block zone. So I'm going to wait patiently for price to tap into our order block zone before our buy limit order will be triggered. So this is where I'm taking my trade, and as you can see, this is a 1:13 risk to reward ratio, right? Again, you can actually if you want to even keep your SL even more tighter, you can push your entry to this price level, and that gives us an RR of 19. 1:19 risk to reward ratio. Okay. So I'm anticipating that price will do this. Right? Tap into this other block here, or push a little bit to this what's it called, price level before selling to the downside. Right. So this is what I'm anticipating. Right. I'm going to drop this setup on the Free Signal Telegram channel. So if you're not there, do well to join the Free Signal channel. All right, so that is our setup for today on GBP USD. Okay, I'll share the coordinates on the Free Signal channel as earlier mentioned. All right, so let's head to XAUUSD. So I want to keep things really simple and fast. Okay, so on XAUUSD, again, I've been able to establish my trend direction. Okay, and our overall trend direction on gold is still bullish, as you can see. Gold is bullish, so basically we're expecting gold to take out this high. Okay, so until then, we are going to focus our buyers on bullish and what's it called trend. So we'll basically be looking for buy opportunities basically until this high is taken out. Okay, and that is it. Now let's mark out our zones. Basically, on the daily time frame, we have market. Market, as you can see, market has been ranging. Let's go to the 4H time frame to have a clearer structure of price action. Okay, so we have this. Okay, so I have this break of structure right here. I have this break of structure right here on the 4H time frame. Please, I believe you can see my screen, please. If you can't see my screen, drop a 1 in the chat. Sorry, if you can see my screen, drop a 1 in the chat. All right, good, 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 good. So let's move on. Okay, so we have this BOS, this break of structure on the 4H time frame. Okay, and on the 4H time frame, we have this inducement. So this is our inducement on the 4H time frame. This is our IDM. Okay. Now let's drill down further. And of course, this is our POI, which we are going to refine further. So we have this POI right here. We have this POI. And we also have this zone right here. So all right. Okay, so let's drill down to the 1H time frame to further refine this zone. Let's drill down to the 4H time frame to 1H time frame to further refine the zone. So on the 1H time frame, we have okay, let's look at the structure on 1H time frame. Yes, we have this BOS, and here's our inducement. So here's our inducement, and so we have this other block right here. This. So we have this other block right here. We have this other block. Okay. Now we also have this other block right here. This other block. We have this other block right here. As you can see, this other block aligns with this breaker block right here. So this is a very high probability setup. All right, so let's drill down further to the 30 minutes time frame for further refinement. So we can refine this further to this order block right here. Okay, we can refine it further to this order block and this to this order block right here. Okay, this to this right here. Yeah. Okay, so this is it basically. We'll be taking our position right here on gold. So this is our first entry and our TP right here. All right. Okay, so this is our first entry. And for this, just in case this gets invalidated, okay, because once price gets to this zone, we're going to observe price action there before we take our entry, right? So for this, just in case this gets invalidated, we'll wait for price at this other zone, okay? And please note there is also another zone. Let's see, this has been mitigated. Okay. All right. So this is unmitigated. Let's work with this. All right. So I have this here. We target this much. This right here. And for S, I will be right here. Okay. So this is a 1:10 risk to reward ratio, approximately 11 risk to reward ratio. This is our entry, and these are SL right here. All right, so this is 1:11 risk to reward ratio. Perfect. All right, so this is a 1:10 risk to reward ratio, and this is a 1:9 risk to reward ratio. So we're taking our entry right here. Yep. All right, so this is it basically on gold. We'll wait patiently for price to get to these zones and take our trade accordingly. All right, I'm going to share these coordinates on the free signal Telegram channel. If you're not on the free signal Telegram channel, do well to join the free signal Telegram channel. Okay, as I'll be dropping the signal there as soon as price gets to our zones. Okay, so if you have any question regarding this, do well to drop it in the comments. I'll go through the comments and attend to questions accordingly. So, is there any question before we call it a day? I'm able to take a trade today because I have some pressing activities to attend to at the moment. Any question? Any question? I will drop the coordinate for this setup on the free signal Telegram channel. Now also monitor the trade as soon as price gets to our zone. Let's set an alert in trading view. So I'm anticipating price. The moment price take out the liquidity below this inducement, then I want a trigger. Let me set an alert on trading view. Okay. Okay, I already have an alert. So this is a free plan anyway, so I can't set more than one alert. I'll monitor this trade. As soon as price get there, I will share the signal on the free signal Telegram channel. So this is my buyers on gold for today. And for GBPUSD, as earlier mentioned, this is the setup for GBPUSD. Okay, price didn't tap into my order block zone yet. That is why I didn't take this trade yet. So you can see price got very close, very, very close. But not until it tap into my zone, I am not taking the trade. So I'm still expecting that price is going to pull back, tap into this zone or even the 50% level right here before giving us this bearish move. So let's wait patiently for this what's it called, setup to fully form. All right. So guys, that wraps it up for today. Okay. Today's key lesson, as always, is market structure, then your key order block and breaker block zones. Then you mark out your entries. Okay, of course, liquidity area is something you pay attention to. You want price to take what's it called? To take the available liquidity below or beyond any inducement zone. Then you mark out your point of interest close to the inducement, and that's it basically. Okay. So guys, please, if this session has added value to you, don't forget to like the stream, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our live trading session. We'll be back on Monday at 9:00 a.m. West African time. Until then, trade smart, guys, and protect your capital. Stay active on the free signal Telegram channel, as I'll be dropping setups, I'll be dropping high probability trade signals there. Okay, see you guys next week. Peace out.